In this quick video, I'll show you how you can create a very simple invoice in Adobe Express. So you can use this to create and send a simple invoice for your business or small business. So here's what you would do. So go to Adobe Express, and once you're logged in, go to the search bar, and this is probably the easiest way to do it. Then just type in invoice, and then you can go ahead and search. We are going to need to use an invoice template. So we'll search and we'll see what we can find. Now, Adobe Express has a lot of options, and some of these are going to be paid. But if we just want a very simple invoice, I'm pretty sure we can get that for free. So go ahead and click on templates, and there are 1,257 templates. I'm going to go to price, and I'll filter it from all to free because I've only got the free version. Now we've got a very simple invoice template here that we can use. I'm going to choose just the easy to edit one. We'll do this one here, and we'll click on it. Remember, you can edit everything on the screen, but it's probably easiest to start with the most simple invoice possible. An invoice's job is just to send to the customer so you can receive money. So I wouldn't really go crazy and try and make it the best designed invoice ever. Like, for example, you can delete anything that's not needed. So maybe we don't want to offer 4 different products. Maybe we only want to offer 1. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and delete some of this. So we'll start off with the line, and I'm going to delete everything one by one because we need to know what we're deleting here. So we'll delete this line, and you can right click on it and click delete, or you can just click on whatever you need to delete and then click delete on the keyboard. So I'm going to delete all of this, and you notice how like this text is one text box, but they've got 4 different products on it. We're going to delete this, and we're going to have to add a text box later. So we will delete all of this by clicking on each section we don't need and then clicking delete. Okay, so now we've done that. What I'm going to do is, because we've got some text here, I'm just going to right click copy, and then we'll right click somewhere and then click paste. And now we've got a copied text box. We can now go ahead and add this where it needs to be. And let's say this is YouTube management. Okay, so now we've added that. We'll do 1. The price is going to be, let's just say 500. Total is going to be 500. And you can edit this every time. Obviously, you need to create a new invoice. I don't need this text here, so we're going to delete it. And really, I don't need product description here either. So we've got YouTube management, 1 price, the total price. If you need to add VAT, you can add that, but I'm going to delete these, and I'm just going to have total due, and I'm going to hold down and highlight all of this text, and we'll bring it up here. Make sure it's in line with the actual text of the invoice, and then we'll change this to 500. And there you go. You get the point, right? You can move this around and customize it. Once you've really got the template down, you aren't going to need to customize it much more, only in the future when you need to update it for clients. And then you can update the invoice number, the client details, and anything that needs updated in the future. Now you've created your invoice, you can go download in the top right hand corner, and I would download it as a PDF standard. Click download, and then that will start to ask you where you want to download it to. So we'll just put it in the download section. And then here is this invoice, and you can send this to your client. So I hope that was quick and helpful.